Yeah, look at the camera!
No!
Well, I kinda can't, I'm busy.
Well, hello. I'm Kiara.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm doing a really gross challenge because I've seen it on the internet before. It kind of is my idea. I'm sad I'm doing it to myself. It's like really disgusting. It's a drink. It's called the Disgusting Drink Challenge, and I kind of had to tweak mine down a bit because I kind of don't have all the ingredients. So what mine is made out of is whipped cream, yellow mustard, red vinegar, and maple syrup.
Disgusting.
And I need to add one more thing in it, so just give me a sec. I gotta look at something.
Kiara, talk. Oh my god, it's orange at the bottom. That's amazing. Wait, Anna, what do you...
Stop. I have to add seasonings to it. And it also has black pepper in it. It's called black pepper!
I
Shut
know.
up! Ew. Look at it. It's like not even like mixed up right. Oh god.
Why are you doing it then?
Because I have to. Don't question the internet. Hey Kiara, can you be a really awesome person? Go get me a cup of water. And then minced onions. What? Just take one of them. Just take one of them. No, not really. No, bathroom sink. Oh god. I need to add water to it. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, why do I do this to myself? Ew. Ooh, it smells god awful.
I know.
I know it smells. I'll put these back on the counter by the stove. Alright. I'm gonna add some water to this. Oh god. Okay, I really mixed it up again. God, it smells so bad. I'm not even gonna drink a lot of it, and it's in a double shot glass. An actual shot glass, I would have done the whole thing. I'm only taking about like a sip and a half of this. And thank God I got some water. Alright, Kiara, I'll be right back. Don't inhale the smell. It'll make you gag to death. Nobody! Oh, God! Just stomped on the ground. Hey, take me! You want to be on camera?
Ooh, well then.
No, he's the camera shy. He's running away. Okay. Oh, God. I'm scared. I am like really scared. Alright. Oh, I'm so scared.
That big one.
See? It's really gross. And I just poured on my laptop. I will be back.
You're so dumb. And a dumb fat Emma.
Anna Marie, dumbass for camera. Thanks, don't shut up your shoe.
But you can't get wet, you know that, right?
Oh shit.
Disgusting, dude. Think about it also.
Oh god, it's like just looks like dog vomit. Oh, it really does look like dog vomit. Kiara, give me another paper towel.
What are they gonna do?
Quickly. do it quickly. It was like all over my laptop. Alright, it's good. It's good now. It's good. It's good. Sit down. Sit down. Okay.
Are you sure?
I gotta what the fuck can you add? Ew, I touched the Wi-Fi.
Ew.
I'm not gonna chug this.
Chug.
I'm not chugging this. Dude, it could give me a heart attack. Look at it. Make sure I won't spill it this time. It looks still in the can. Okay.
Chug.
Okay.
Chug.
Don't. I'll make you chug it.
Yeah, no, okay.
God.
Oh.
The only reason why it sounds so funny is because I have to hold my nose because it sounds so gross. It smells so gross.
No, ew.
Oh my god. Ugh.
So, how was it? Nice over your face? Not really.
Oh, it's so disgusting. Ew. Ew.
You're dumb.
I am not dumb. I'm gonna do something else. Give me a minute. I gotta take this torture to death.
Torture piece away. Pizza. Nana, that was a really dumb idea. Leave it to the famous YouTubers.
Alright, I got a better idea now. I'm gonna have some whipped cream. Be a bit better for me.
You was smart. Yeah. That's a really good idea.
It's my whipped cream. I will say whipped cream.
Chug, 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 chug.
What?
Oh, come on now. Chug, 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 chug. Okay. Let's do it now. What's it for? Wow. How long this video goes on? What happened?
I felt that.
What do you feel exactly?
Alright, guys, well. The horrible taste is out of my mouth thanks to whipped cream. Alright, so that's it for me today. I'm gonna do one on Friday, most likely. Right now it's Thursday. Not
Wednesday.
Thursday, it's Wednesday, I'm sorry. Tomorrow, Thursday. Guys, give me ideas for tomorrow, maybe. And I'll do them on Friday. Okay, so I will see you guys later. And
I probably won't.
you probably won't. You won't be here next time. It might be me and somebody else. Might be me and my dog. Possibly. Forever alone moment. No, this is a forever alone moment.